Welcome back to our HealthBeat Special COVID-19 research. Many are wondering when a coronavirus vaccine will become available and when it does, how safe it'll be. I spoke with an infectious disease doctor about what the community should know. Recently, South Dakota has seen higher numbers of hospitalizations and active cases due to COVID-19. That has many wondering about a vaccine.
This vaccine development is moving very quickly, and Sanford Health, like many other healthcare organizations and public health organizations, is watching it closely. It's almost every day there are new developments. So we're staying on top of planning in a very flexible and fast-moving environment.
Sanford Health infectious disease physician Dr. Susan Hoover says vaccines must go through several stages of evaluation, beginning with cells and chemicals in the lab and eventually leading to human evaluations.
There are several stages of trials in human beings, starting with small groups of usually healthy volunteers, looking carefully at its safety, any bad effects it might have, and then progressing to larger groups of people and seeing whether it actually prevents infection.
In the past, she says vaccines have taken anywhere from decades to just 4 years to be developed, which is why she says it's hard to compare one to another. Now, with modern biomedical technology, she says vaccines have the potential to be developed faster.
Modern technology, modern interest, and the world is wealthier than it was in the 1960s. There's a lot of resources available to try and develop vaccines faster without sacrificing safety. Of course, that would be the paramount concern.
Even if a vaccine is approved or licensed, she says there won't be enough to cover everyone right away. But those on the front lines may be the first to get it.
There's not been a firm declaration about who would be the first person or the first group of people to receive a vaccine. We can say that it's likely to be groups such as healthcare providers, people working with sick people, first responders, people who might be at risk of exposure to people who are sick and may not know that they're sick.
Most importantly, though, she says it won't come out if it's not safe. That's all the time we have for our HealthBeat Special COVID-19 research. To stay up to date on the latest COVID-19 numbers in KELOLAND, as well as the latest local, state, and national headlines concerning the pandemic, head to our special COVID-19 page on KELOLAND.com. Thank you for joining us, and remember to tune in to HealthBeat every day on KELOLAND News at 6. Have a good night, everyone.